What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. First off, I want to start by saying that sorry that I misinformed you guys regarding the 6-speed reverse light, but I have a fix, and this is what the video is about today, as you can see from the title. So I found this relay kit from 202 store. It's just I think it's a changeover relay, and with the plug and all the wiring you basically need to make the reverse light work as it should. So that's what I'm gonna install today, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So first off, I'm gonna have to undo the fuck up that I did. So I'm gonna need to cut these. There we go. These are down from the switch, so not gonna need this, but we are gonna need these two. I hope the angle is pretty good. We'll see, but gonna need to take the wires and strip them. There we go. Strip them. And I'm not entirely sure if it matters which of these that goes to where, but that's why I have these. I don't know if you can see these little fillers. I'm all out of the other flat the flat connectors, so this will have to do. And I'm not going to the store to get some. That is simply not happening. I can see the wire sticking through. Squish it. It's not coming off. I mean, so just gotta put the other one on. Those are those. And then for the relay, there's these two wires that goes to the old switch. There's the blue wire that goes to the new switch on the 6-speed box. There's a ground connection that goes to the black side of the plug. I don't know if you can see any of this, but yeah. So ground to the plug, blue to blue, the two yellow to this one, and the red one to a switched 12-volt source. I'm pretty confident that you have put several kind of relays in the car, since you are putting a 6-speed box in the car. So you can just tap into one of those. I'm gonna tap into one of the relays I have, and yeah, then that's pretty much it. That's the fix. So let me just wire these up, chuck the wiring through, so it looks neat and it's out of the way, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I have run the red wire all the way to a relay. I have just used one of the bolts for the shifter for the ground. I have plugged in the connectors, wired it up. I just shoved the relay behind there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. Blue wire down in the little hole I made earlier, and the black wire, the ground. So it's just a matter of connecting the blue and the black wire, and then plugging it into the transmission. Let's do that real quick, and that'll be it. And I have now wired up. Like I said before, I'm gonna use some kind of glue or something to stick it to the side. Just fix the light to stick the wire to the side so the drive shaft doesn't rip it off. But yeah, ow, hurt myself. There we have it, all plugged up, all wired up, good to go. Should be working now. If not, I will post another fix. But yeah, I hope it helps some of you. See you in the next one. Bye.